special sample superstore subset.xlsx using order sheet. Find how many states or provinces showed negative profit for technology category in year 2012. This question seems quite simple. They have asked to find the how many states showed the negative profit. So the thing is, by reading the question, it's very clear that we need to sort the data, and we need to find the all provinces or the states which have a negative profit for technology category in year 2012. So the filter that we have to use is year as well as the technology category. So product category we have to use and the year filter we have to use. So the first thing first, you should always analyze the filters and the data which is asked in the question, which will really help you to solve the question very quickly. Let's now move to the solution. Dataset is already loaded here. Let's go to the solution. Since in the question they have asked to put the year, consider the year as 2012, and they have mentioned to use the category. If I see product category, we have 3 categories. Let me put it on the filter. We select the technology category, and they have asked to use the segment or the state. This is state or the province. And if we go with the profit, we need to find the state or the provinces who are in the negative profit. So by negative profit we can find out by simply putting the descending order. If we go down, so all those states or provinces who are having profit value as less than 0 are considered as the negative profit earning states or the provinces. So technically this is the answer of this question: Kansas, Delaware, Tennessee, South Carolina. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 states which are giving the negative profit. Another approach of the same question could be to use the calculation where we can get the value like if the profit is less than 0. Let me do that one also. For example, if we go here, we put order date as 2012, and category, product category as technology, and if we create a profit, and here let me put states, state or the provinces, and we put a calculation here, create new calculation, states with negative profit if sum of profit less than 0, then 1, else 0, and let's make it a dimension. And if I put it here, it will also give me the same result. So this was also another approach how we can solve the question. So it's all depends on how you want to proceed to the solution of the question. But as a experience, you should always go for the visual thing, because that very quickly it gives you the solution and helps to save the time in the exam. Thank you very much.